See, anybody that tell you that this Amazon KDP is what you can do on your own without you needing a guide, the person is lying. Oh, don't let them whine you. If you like, continue doing it till next year, till next 2 years. The truth is, for you to succeed on Amazon, you need what? You need a correct guide. As you can see how much see, I'm recommending a course to you, a course that can make you $1,000, $1,000 in just a few months. You understand? Don't let anybody brainwash you that Amazon KDP is something that you sign up today and start making money. It is a lie, because you have to do one or two things, and you need the right guide to guide you towards this making money on this Amazon KDP. So that is why I am recommending this course to you. The course is just 20,000 naira, but I tell you, once you pay the 20,000 naira, there are a lot of things you will enjoy. Like, you will enjoy free access to a group of like minds where you will be able to ask your questions and meet great individuals. You will enjoy access to pro apps, like apps that are blocked because of pro version. You will enjoy access to it, and then you'll be able to do Amazon on your own using your mobile phone. These are testimonies of people that have used this course and are making money on this Amazon KDP. So what are you waiting for? Is it the $20? Don't worry, you will make times 10 of it. I can assure you that. But the truth is, you need a guide to prosper on this Amazon street.